Hello everybody, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. Welcome to How to Kill a Kit with Style. February, I am technically not doing a How to Kill a Kit with Style for February, but I'm just going to carry on with trying to use up this gorgeous collection from Color Me Happy. I have done a ton with it already, but I still have lots of paper and stuff to use. So I would like to just get a couple more layouts done and then separate this to wherever it needs to go. I'm doing well with the embellishments and the stickers and stuff. Where I'm struggling is my paper. I still have, like I said, a lot of that. And the words, I'm not getting the words used up as well as I should be. So we are going to try and work through that. I've got, let's see here. I have the BU, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words left. I'm in a random S. And I think that there were 11 to start with. So I haven't done a very good job with that. So to use a few of these words up, I've done one layout with this, so hopefully I can finish using up these 2x2 pack. I moved the sequins. I literally just took the backing out. This is from Sukamelon Scraps and put it on this cute little cut file. So I've got the sequins to use on a layout. This I'm doing well with, and I struggle normally with phrases, but for some reason I'm doing good. So this I have a feeling I can probably finish using up, no problems. I finally have an idea on how to use this up, thanks to JQ Crafty. So you will see that video for Off the Board this month. These are a little thick for layouts. Like, they're not really, I mean, I totally can use them. But I'm just trying to figure out how to use them. So we'll see. I'm gonna find a way. If not, I'm gonna put them in a little shaker pocket and use them for one of my Project Life things. I've used a few of these puffy stickers, and this is something I'm not worried about. I can put that in with my stash and get to them as I want. So that's not a big deal. I have, let's see here, a few, my ephemera is not too bad. There's a package of it somewhere. We'll find it. It'll float through here somewhere. Oh, there it is. The ephemera's not too bad. I've got I have all the moon and stars stuff left because I have a plan to do a layout with that. So I haven't actually dealt with that yet, but like the sun and all of that has been used up. I used all the clouds. So most of it's used up. I've got a couple rainbows and then the moon and these little star constellations to use. And then paper. So I have almost all of this. I had to take out the D I'm doing a COVID, for my COVID album. So I took that out. So I've got both sides of this. And I actually was looking, I can cut this and use that for something. I haven't touched the scallop one yet, either side of it. So there's this side plus the fun party side. I've used this side for a layout, so I've got this side left. Like I said, that scallop there. I've used one of these. I'd like to somehow do something fun with these llamas though, because they're pretty darn cute. I have used a bit of one of those, so either side is fine. This is one that I have used, so I'd like to try and use that side. I think this is just the back. Yeah, so that's an extra sheet. Oh, the stickers. And again, just kind of the star constellations and a couple little ones. That should get used up. And then, let's see. Oh, and this fun little rainbow one that I haven't used. I used a little bit of this one. So those are my full sheets, I believe. And then I've got a layout started from Layout Palooza that I was working with and then never finished. So I would like to do some stitching in black and get that done. And I pulled this from an Altenew collection because I felt like the colors matched and I could do something with that. Everything else is just scrap papers that I can work through and use, and I hope to get, you know, hopefully 3 more layouts done with this, and then I'm gonna call it good. But that's my plan, to wrap up with this and just continue on. And then at the end, I will share with you everything I've used up. And I've put most of my layouts away actually already, so I'll have to just do a quick run through at the end and share them with you as I share with you what I have left over. Please make sure you head on over, check out what everyone else is using for their kit this month, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!